Hey, this is Dr. Fryer. Today is February 10th, 2023, and I'd like to show you how to screen record or screencast with QuickTime Player on an Apple laptop. So we're actually going to do this with Minecraft, but you can do this with really anything else that you want to share on your screen. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you set things up for your screencast. So I've got Minecraft set up, I've joined the server, I'm in the place where I want to be, and so I'm going to press escape. Now, you don't want to use the green dot up here in the corner to make Minecraft full screen when you're doing this, because it's going to shift the screens and it's not going to work as well. So to make your Minecraft screen full screen, just double tap on the top somewhere of the white bar at the top of the window, and then it will become full screen, but it's going to be a lot smoother in terms of your recording. To open up QuickTime Player, there's a couple ways to do this. I like to hold down Command and press space, Command space, and then you can start to type the program QuickTime Player and it will open up. Now, if it opens up like this to say, hey, play a video, you don't want to do that. Okay, you just want to cancel that. And what you want to do is from the file menu, choose new screen recording. Okay, there's a movie and an audio recording option. We're just doing a screen recording, so we can go ahead and select that. Now, when this menu comes up, make sure that you have record entire screen. You know, there's an option to just do part of it. We want the entire screen, and then under options, make sure that your microphone is turned on. Okay, you can change these other options too. I'm going to leave this at 5 seconds. I guess I'm going to also tell it to just save this to the desktop so that that's where the recording is going to save. So just check your options. Desktop, 5 seconds, MacBook Air microphone, those are the choices that I want. And now I can go ahead and click record, and my recording is going to start in 5 seconds, okay? So it'll give me a little bit of time to press escape and get back into Minecraft. So I go ahead and click record, click over here and press escape, and now I can start. So hi everybody, this is Dr. Fryer, and I'm here in Minecraft, and I'm gonna give you a little tour of a house. This isn't actually my house. This is a villager's house, but you get the idea. So we can do whatever it is that we want to do. And when we're done, you're going to press escape again. And at the top of the screen, there is a dot, and you're going to click that, and that's going to stop your screencast. Okay. So that is going to open up the program, or sorry, it's going to, I guess I chose desktop. So if you click on desktop and then you click desktop, your screen recording is going to be right here. And so you can double click it, you can click play in Minecraft, and I'm going to see that it's working. And so now you can take that file and you can put it wherever you want. Now, as a quick little just tip here, when you're on your desktop or any other window of the Finder, and again, you can get to the Finder by going to the dock on the side or the bottom of your screen and clicking on the Finder icon. When you're looking at the desktop, you can view that as icons or as a list. I like the list view, and you can either alphabetize by clicking on name. I like to do date modified, and then the most recent thing is right here at the top. So you may want to rename that. I could call it Screencast, and you want to probably have .mov at the end. And then I can go ahead and turn that file in. I'm going to just go ahead and show you that as well. So I'm going to go over here to my Chrome. I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I'm going to choose my assignment, practice Minecraft screencast. You can see I already have one in there. Add or create a file, and you're going to need to browse to your desktop to find this. So there's the desktop, there's my file. I pressed enter there because my key was behind my window there. So it's going to go ahead and upload, and then you can go ahead and submit the assignment. Okay, so those are the steps to be able to create a screencast with QuickTime Player on an Apple computer. Good luck.